In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious homemade lemonade recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 lemons and 2 cups of sugar. Start by peeling off the peel of each of the lemons into a bowl. To the lemon peels, we're going to add in the sugar. Mix until evenly combined. Cover with plastic wrap. Place this in the fridge overnight. Once out of the fridge, we're going to mix it together one more time. Add in 4 cups of boiling water and mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Cut each lemon in half. Strain each of the lemons into a bowl. In a larger bowl, we're going to add ice and strain in our lemon peel mixture. Then we're going to strain in our lemon juice. Mix until completely combined. Place our lemonade in a pitcher. Place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. In a cup, we're going to add ice. Pour our lemonade over the ice. Our homemade lemonade is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.